Hello guys, welcome to Camping 3. Oh my gosh.
It's me too.
Yeah, I haven't did a video in such a long time.
Me
I got
too.
a face cam working and that stuff. So, yeah. Thank you. So
Get in this airplane. No one's in it.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have to wait for people though. But, yeah. It's a camping game. It's a cool camping game. Hopefully you can hear me.
By the way, we're both pumpkins.
Yeah, I'm a
What
pumpkin.
if we just go by ourselves?
No, you can't. So I don't know why. Okay, we're gonna have to. Oh shoot! There. Okay, come on.
Right
Oh
when
my.
I hop.
Wait.
Right,
Wait. What? Wait. Just leave. Wait. Wait. I just. What is that abomination?
oh, look, people are jumping in the middle.
Oh,
In the
okay.
middle.
Go.
Middle one.
Yes. Okay, we're with a scientist dude that has. Oh shoot. Let's go. No, that's Squidward. Squidward. Oh no. Lol.
right next to
Look
him.
at the noob. Oh no. Hop. I don't know what that says. Hopefully it doesn't say anything bad, but okay. Come on, guys. Just hop in the. Yeah. Oh no, this guy has the chill face. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, okay, we're starting. Oh, here we go.
Yes.
Yeah, we're with Squidward. Oreo.
I don't wanna, I got a falcon, but
Shut up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Wika.
Wika, what?
What? Oh, this is from the other game.
What?
Hey, Hey there. Welcome to Wicca Peak. Wicca. It kind of sounds like Pikachu. Come join us in the lodge after the park ranger Daniel will give us a quick tour of the mountain. Okay.
My
I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, what is that? Okay. Ooh. Okay. There's 5. You know, is this it? Is this all that's it? Because normally it's cozy. Squidward says, but it normally has beds. It normally has
We
beds.
only have couch.
Like, are we gonna sleep on the couch? And
You know what? I'm gonna hide.
some of us are gonna. Okay, follow me. It's time for a tour of the mountain.
But
Okay.
but I'm hiding.
Wait, what is that room then? I never seen that room in the thing. Ooh, okay. Why is it that big, but it looks so small? Okay. Oh, geez, you could just got teleport. Okay. I'm going to show you a few key locations around the mountain. Okay. Oh, wait, how did he get there? Follow me. Like, oh, I don't know. Okay. He hacker. Yeah, that's. I was going to say that, but I don't want to be like calling everyone hacker. Okay.
On my screen, I'm in front, but
On my screen, I'm not.
why do I feel like
Okay,
I'm gonna go
this
in
is the mine. It's no longer
What?
used by
Who's
miners
hacked?
as it was abandoned due to safety
Dude, this guy
violations
just hacked.
around 20 years.
This guy went
Wait,
in there.
camera top. It's around. It was okay this way. So it's it was safety violations with that thing. But that guy, I feel like that guy is a hacker. Cameron, come on. I feel.
He just
But I feel like that guy is a hacker because he's hacking and everything. Or he just might be
he
glitching.
just
Okay,
went down
this
in the
is the
sea.
lake. It freezes during the winter. Don't worry. It's safe to walk on. Just be careful not to slip. Oh, okay. But can we slip? Okay. It's like I'm ice skating. I'm an ice skater. Over here. Okay. Ice skating. Okay. Oh, he just stopped. Ahead of us lies nothing but a forest. Go ahead and explore. I'll catch up later. Okay. I'm gonna go out. These tree. Okay. So what is that? It's like him. So wait. What is that? What is that?
I'm gonna chase it.
Yeah. What?
Chase it.
Wait. Where did it? What is that?
It just went.
It just went in the rocks. Yeah, it's a hacker. It just went in the rocks. It went in the rocks. No, hacker.
Hacker.
Okay.
How is this guy on his head?
Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's following.
Yeah, this guy's a hacker right here. Okay. What is it? Oh, it's a tree. It's just a tree. I was like, what is this? And it was a tree. Okay, let's go back.
Dude, I'm gonna run away from the house.
But like, what? Like
It looked like
yeah,
cartoon cat.
Cartoon cat.
It kind of.
Cartoon cat. You know, it did kind of.
You know the hands and like the head. Shaped like
You know,
cartoon
actually, not really. Oh, what? Is that tree glitch? Okay. Oh wait. Oh, I thought that was a monster or something. What are these?
Oh, follow him. Where is he going?
Oh yeah. He's going someplace. I'm just gonna follow him.
Where is he?
Wait, where is he going? Oh, is he going back? Oh, everyone teleported. Okay. It's getting late. You should return to the lodge. Enjoy your stay. Okay. It's like we went right out there. Okay.
I feel like something bad is gonna happen.
Yeah,
it happens
like
in every game.
Yeah, it happens in every camping story. Like I'm talking.
How did you get in that room? There's a room right there. Wait, you can turn the lights on?
Yeah. It looked like a
turn them
light
on.
switch.
No.
I'm gonna turn them off. Okay.
It makes the Minecraft sound.
Oh, it does. You guys can't hear that, but he can because of the volume all the way down. Okay.
I have my volume up. I just think it's.
Oh wait, Cameron, sit next to me. Oh, it's stormy outside. Okay, Cameron, sit next to me.
No. You know. I don't
Do what?
Look at the window.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna go sit.
It's kind of just depression out the window. You know? Okay.
I feel like just something's gonna.
Yeah.
I feel like something's gonna happen out the window, so I'm just gonna.
Okay.
I'm just gonna sit down.
Okay, nothing's really happening. It's been like a long time.
Well, it only happened like 1 minute.
What?
You hear that?
Hear what? Wait, do you guys hear that? You know, I kind of heard a laughing sound, but yeah. What is that? Someone needs help. We should go outside and investigate. No! Yeah, he's saying that no. He's and she. I don't know.
And
She looks like a meme.
Wait, what?
Right here. Over here. Oh, we have to go as a group.
Okay, hacker didn't. He failed.
Okay, head outside and stay together.
I would go this way.
Oh wait. Yeah.
I kind of want you guys. Wait, can you drag me? Oh, you can.
Oh my gosh.
Drag me, guys.
There's a mouse out there. What? A mouse?
A mouse.
A mouse.
What?
A mouse? No.
Mouse?
They want to sled. We have to go over here because there's clearly nothing over there. Okay.
I see him.
Wait. Oh yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna stay back.
Why?
I'm just gonna stay.
Okay. Come on, group. Come on. Okay. Is that? Why is he crying?
What?
Oh, what the heck is that? What is that? Run, Cameron, run! Just go, run! Hurry back to the. Oh my God! What the heck? What is happening? Cameron, run! Just go!
How
Go!
do I censor blood?
No, I don't. It's fine. I don't. It's geez, that was bloody though. That was. You know, that kind of did look like a mouse, but it kind of looked like the Yeti.
It did not look like a Yeti.
It looked like a
mouse.
It kind of looked like a Yeti. You know the thing from Plants vs. Zombies, I think? It kind of looked like the zombie. If you know what that is.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Did the oh jeez!
What is
I got hit!
I
Got hit one time. Come on, guys, come on.
I want to see this back. Is
Oh
it
my
a-
gosh, I can't believe I got
Oh,
hit.
you're getting hit by lightning. How does he summon lightning? I'm just gonna,
Yeah, let's pretend
I feel
like
like
nothing
he's chasing
happened.
us. It's gonna be outside.
Okay. There's nothing outside. Okay. Okay, what was that thing? It killed Park Ranger Steve. No.
Like, it's like every camping game. Its name is Steve.
Steve. Like Minecraft Steve.
Oh, what is that?
What? Wait, what is that? Wait, that's the thing. That's the Yeti.
It looks like a mouse.
It looks like a Yeti. It's standing outside, but beside the gate.
You know what?
Why they
I'm
get-
just gonna go out there. I'm just gonna go out there.
Oh, that guy just jumped out the window! And he's getting zapped by lightning! Haha, for hacking. I think it's gone. And he came back inside. I think it's gone.
What the? What?
Okay. Are we going back outside? Oh. Geez, that's right. Oh.
I bet you we gotta go in that cave.
Oh, wait.
Maybe.
I see it. I have something outside. Oh, we gotta go out here in the woods. It's not safe. The mouse. Oh, it is a mouse. No, it's we're in here. It is a mouse. I thought it was a
It
Yeti.
looks like a mouse.
It looked like a Yeti, but the helicopters don't return until tomorrow night.
And we die tomorrow night.
Wait, so we're that rich? We drive, okay. The lodge clearly is not safe. We will need to take shelter elsewhere tonight. Okay. Okay.
I feel like something's gonna happen tomorrow night.
Yeah. That's probably true. Yeah. Totally.
Ah!
That guy's hacking! He's going out! Yeah, that guy's definitely a hacker. I don't feel so good.
Oh! Whoa! No!
Oh no! He got a sick from the cold last night. Avoid near the sneezes! Oh no. Oh, someone got infected. Oh, run. Why are you trying to infect me? Ah!
William, you gotta hide up here. It's literally the best.
Oh, jeez! He's gonna sneeze! Why am I so scared of sneezes all of a sudden?
William, you gotta climb up the wall.
Oh, jeez! Run!
William, climb up the wall.
I don't know how to!
No, that one. Climb up the bookshelf.
Ah! I don't see you!
Go in the other room.
Oh, no. Okay, go. Go!
Up there.
Ah! Okay. Oh, yeah, they're sneezing. Okay. I think we're safe. That guy's out there! Not fair. Oh, jeez. I think we're safe. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. Squidward got the cold. If we stay here cooped up, all day, we'll get each other sick. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Restarting the fireplace to warm up can heal the sickness. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Oh, we have to collect wood, like in every camping game.
I'll see you soon.
Oh, jeez. Oh,
Wait, they still have a cold.
see you soon. Oh my gosh.
No.
What?
There's a well.
A well? What?
Fireplace.
Oh yeah.
I got wood.
Oh, okay.
Yay.
Oh yeah, I see wood.
Get that one.
Okay.
I got another.
Oh, there's more wood over there. Okay.
I got wood.
Oh, other people are finding wood too. Okay. Oh, wait, there's wood right there. We're finding wood every
I
time.
found another one. Last one, William. Oh,
Okay,
you
got it. The fireplace has been lit. Head back
I'm
to cure
kinda far
yourself.
from back.
Yeah.
What is this? Okay.
We did that quick. Oh yeah, they're going back. Okay.
No.
And just in case I got a sneeze, I'm going back. Oh, that guy got sick now, and he's trying to follow me. Jeez.
William, I don't know my way back.
I don't know how to help you with that. Where are you? Are you in the forest?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, they got healed.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, go there. Wait, go heal your sick, because I don't want to get the sneezes.
I'm
Okay.
not sick.
No. Those is Squidward. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Okay. Okay.
Hard to get back.
Okay, now I think everyone. Okay. Okay. No one has full health. No one has full health.
I do.
Yeah, you do. I have a little bit of health down just because that thing. Yeah. Okay, this is boring. Oh, okay. Black screen. Oh! Tonight is a cool night. You decide to take shelter and hide from the mouse in the mine. Okay.
What?
Wait, the guy's going in there! Let's head
he,
inside.
That's what he
Wait, he's probably gonna go there too. Or, yeah! Oh wait, maybe you can go there. Oh wait, you can! Okay, so he's definitely a hacker.
What's that noise?
What's his name? So,
Uh-oh.
Oh jeez, what is that? Why was he blue? How did that dude get in? Because he prob hack.
It's probably a glitch.
No, he's hacking. How can you glitch that well in there?
Oh.
No, glitch. Oh, now he's not going back in there. Oh, an avalanche has blocked. Oh, shoot.
I told you it's a glitch. Oh, I see what he's doing. He's not hacking.
Camping is
Like
obvious.
this and then turn
Wait.
around.
Camping is obvious the days. Okay, I know, right? Okay. Wait, so that's an avalanche. It's not rocks. Can we just go through that? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that might not be a smart idea
We can
because
just, like,
we might just
we can just dig.
we might
We
actually.
can just dig. It's
But
snow.
Cameron, we might actually drown in snow.
You can't drown in snow. You
Okay,
can get
wait, I'm
suffocated,
hungry.
you can't
I'm
drown.
hungry.
You can
Me
suffocate.
too, but we have nothing to eat.
Oh, we gotta eat. Wait, we gotta eat something.
I'm starving. If we don't eat something, we'll die. Okay, then there's probably an exit right here, so let's just go here. And that guy already glitched there. Well, there is one way we can, okay. Wait a minute, you don't mean. Oh, wait. I think I know what they're doing.
We're gonna eat someone.
It's the only way we can survive. Oh, no.
We gotta eat someone. I'm voting the hack right now.
Yeah, probably the hacker. Because he's running the whole game for
All
us.
he's doing is glitching.
Who are we voting?
I'm voting Bacon Noob thingy.
I'm gonna vote this guy because he has the most votes.
Bacon Noob. It's
No,
Bacon
Super.
Noob.
Oh,
It's
Super Bacon.
Super Bacon.
I'm voting him because he has the most votes. Okay.
Ready to eat him?
I don't want to eat him.
I'm eating him. I got the head. I'm gonna get the head.
Okay.
Oh, the head!
Oh my God! That guy has a head.
I got the head.
That's brutal.
I got the head.
Oh my gosh! Why are you eating at a head? I'm starving, bro. Well, I'm just gonna put that down. That is. Wait, is it healing my health? Oh no. Okay. That's just brutal. No, put the head down. Put the head down. No, put the head down.
I'm eating it. I can't.
No, put the head down.
I gotta finish.
Oh my gosh.
Here, you eat it.
No. No,
Eat.
fine.
Eat
Fine.
that
I ate my
stomach.
thing.
Eat that.
That was delicious.
Oh
my
yes, it
gosh.
is.
Oh jeez.
I got the brain.
I can't drop. What? Oh my God. Now that okay. We have no choice but to go through the mine.
Why did
okay.
we not just do
Yeah,
that?
what? Like we could
we
have got
were
some pizza.
hungry.
We could have ordered pizza.
We don't have a phone.
Oh, it's starting to fill. Oh jeez, it is. Oh my gosh. Run, 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 run.
Is this like flood escape?
No, it's an obby.
How do you know that? Oh, yeah,
Because we're going.
You did it.
Ah!
Ah!
Oh my gosh. No.
I
might die
hit
here.
by a spike. Ooh, Minecraft.
Oh, okay.
We're playing.
The camera's avalanche is behind you. Come on.
Dude, we're playing Minecraft.
Daniel's here. Cameron is right there.
Daniel?
Come on. Yeah, Daniel.
He's dead.
No, that's the other guy.
Oh, yeah.
That was close.
Steve.
Yeah, let's just go out. Oh my gosh. We
Steve
can't go
died.
out. Daniel? Yeah, we should have did that earlier. Yeah. I'm glad you guys made it. Let's get out of here before the avalanche fills in any further. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go. Yes, we're escaping.
I've been to a YouTube.
Yeah, we escaped. How about we just leave this place now? Yes.
That's over.
Oh wait, he's right here.
Wait, how did I lose health? Oh, yeah, that's right.
You got hit?
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys are okay. I heard crying in the woods 2 days ago. And when I went to investigate, oh yeah. Okay. But I thought that was like a few months later, a strange creature that came from the direction of the lodge started approaching me. But like, I thought that was only like a day ago, maybe. I don't know. I managed to escape and hide in the mines through the secret trapdoor tunnel. Well, we could have did that instead. Like, and then we could have... What happened to Super Bacon... Okay.
We ate him.
No, we'd prefer not to talk about that. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Totally.
Yeah.
Tonight we will need to stay in the lodge. The mine is not safe for us. See you there. Okay. No. Okay. I'm just gonna follow him.
Yeah, just follow him. He knows what to do.
Yeah.
He's like
It's like oh okay. Never mind.
He's basically the owner.
Yeah.
Because it's by himself.
What?
He's by himself. Oh,
No, but
he's not by himself.
We're with him.
He's by. No, he was by himself.
No, he was with Daniel. No, wait, Daniel or
Yes,
no, this
Steve.
is Daniel. What? Steve. He was with Steve.
And then there was 3 people: the monster, Daniel, and Steve. And then we came.
Yeah. You can say it that way. Okay. Why is he dancing up there? Like.
That's where I was hiding. Hiding behind.
You were hiding there?
Yeah, I was hiding.
From what?
I was just hiding.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just hiding. Dude, this guy has a... Oh, I thought there was a pickle on his head. I thought he had a pickle on his head.
Who?
You know the hacker?
Oh.
No, the glitcher, not the hacker, the glitcher.
He might be hacking because
No, he glitched.
Okay. Why does it sound like you're eating now?
I'm stuck.
On what? No, you're not. No, you have to just go in first. What is that? I heard it outside. Where though?
Oh, we can't.
Oh my gosh! It's right there! It's here. Hurry! Everyone get out the lodge. Okay, go. Oh, I broke through the... What is it? Who? That's not from the hotel thing! Oh, he got in. That's from hotel! That's from hotel... the hotel. Oh my gosh. Hello, father. What? Hello. I'm glad you made it. Would you mind helping me with this? Oh my god. He's a dad? He's the dad from... the dad? Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, run. Go. Ah! Go. This side. Oh.
I got hit.
Oh, wait. He's coming. What is he? Oh my gosh. No. It's a boss fight. Wait, this is not fair. 2 against... Oh, yeah. 2 against, like, 500 people. Oh, jeez. No.
I really haven't got hit. I only got hit by that.
Why are they both moving now? Oh, my gosh! Ah, go.
Dude, he's using power. He's using 1% of his power.
Ah!
Yeah, you know what?
Okay.
Easy.
Ah!
Ah.
What the?
Woo!
Okay.
Woo! I'm good at these. Woo! No. Woo!
Don't die.
Woo! 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 How much are these?
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Ah! Whoa! Get away.
Oh my gosh. Ah!
Ah, they're both running.
Ah!
Ow!
You died?
No.
Ah!
What are you doing this time?
Oh no, Cameron, run! I haven't
If I
really...
get hit 2 more times, that I think. I'm just gonna keep him jumping.
Just dodge the red things. Oh my gosh, they're both doing the same time. Go. Right here. Oh,
You gotta go
never
behind
mind.
him.
Oh wait! No, he's hiding behind the tree! Oh no, both of them. Okay. I know when he's doing that, he's summoning his... Oh my gosh! Same time.
Ow!
You got hurt?
I don't think. Wait, that's not fair.
What?
They're doing it at
Oh,
the
wait,
same
no.
time.
He's gonna get me. Okay.
Can't this be over?
Yeah. Ah! No.
This is unfair.
Oh my gosh.
I'm about
This
to.
is not that hard. Oh my gosh. Now, okay.
Ah!
Right when I say that.
I'm gonna die. One more hit. Be over.
Go. Oh wait.
I died.
No. Do you have any Robux?
No. Why is it 80 Robux?
80 Robux?
Why is it just 80 Robux?
It's 80 Robux? Oh no. That's a lot of Robux.
Why?
Oh wait, it stopped!
Right when I die?
Okay. Can you spectate? Time to end
No.
this. Oh no. No, we died! There's only 3 of us left. Oh, the hacker went away. Oh no. That's a cliff right there. Oh no.
I don't know if they can see.
That's a cliff.
Oh, they're tied up.
That's
They're
a cliff.
tying them up.
Wait, that's from Camping 3. They died. Get out of the way. You ruined this enough already. Those are the guys from... They died. We told them
It's a
to listen to
battle.
us. It's not...
It's a battle between the monsters
And the
to
family.
the family and the ghost.
Oh no. I'm scared. What? Wait, enough. Wait, that's the guy from the first camping. In the second one. Oh my gosh. Wait, look right here. It's the guy. It's time to put this an end to this. It was the guy from that guy, Zach Nolan. I'm sorry I hit your daughter with my car. I know how hard it is to lose someone you love. I forgive you. Yes! Happy ending! Yeah! Help the cart! It's rolling away! Oh, no. Wait, yes! Wait! No!
He fell off.
Camping! No!
That was sad.
That was sad. To be continued. Camping
wonder
4.
what
That means Camping 4 is. Camping 4 is going to be something. Yes.
Sorry, that was the end of the video. Hope you like and subscribe. And
Go on.
I will see you next time. Bye.
Okay. So now he's done with his video. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. I can't. It's so sad. So sad that Zach Nolan died. He was bad, and then he's good, and then he's bad, and then he's good. Wait,
and then he falls over a cliff, and then he was good.
No. He
fell
was
off a
mostly
cliff.
bad, but then he turned good, and then saved our lives. But
But he died. He sacrificed his life for us.
I wonder what Camping 3 is, because all the really all the bad guys are done. Because the guy from only the Nightmare from Camping 1 is alive, but I think he's a good guy. I think he's a good guy. So go check out this game. If I remember, I'll put links in the description.
Okay, I got the whole thing. Got the whole video.
But link is probably going to be in the description. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!